Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, finally we have here the Kospet Tank S1. Okay, it is our first look, okay, for this sporty outdoor smartwatch from Kospet. Okay, it is still in the Tank series, but this one it has a much more sportier look, and as you can see here, prettier, smarter, stronger. I don't know if this is marketed for female, okay, sports enthusiasts, but based on the images here and the design, okay, still it is a unisex smartwatch. But for those who love the features of the T2 smartwatch, Tank T2, okay, but want a much smaller version of it, okay, especially for female, I think this one is a good smartwatch for you. So Kospet Tank S1, okay, so exclusive. We are going to have the unboxing of this new smartwatch from Kospet. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's get ready and unbox the Kospet Tank S1 smartwatch. Okay, but before that, let's check out the packaging here. As you can see, the same, okay, design, okay, the same style with the Kospet Tank T2 smartwatch. It is a premium packaging, okay, for the Tank S1. Okay, so we have here some of the details. Okay, so it is using a Gorilla Glass certified, okay, IP69K and 580M waterproof. Okay, here on the back we have the features. Okay, 70 sports mode. What else do we have here? Always on time display, Bluetooth calling with one switch, a big battery, pure cobalt 300 mAh battery, 1.3 premium AMOLED display, and a full metal body design. So we have here the specs. Okay, so far it looks premium here. I love the packaging. Okay, so let's check out the contents of the smartwatch or the box. Okay, so let's remove the plastic. Okay, so far I'm impressed with the product of Kospet this past few months, especially for the Tank series. Okay, they have a premium design, okay, as well as the features, okay, loaded to its Tank series. Okay, so finally we have removed the plastic. Again, it is a military grade, drop tested, okay, smartwatch. Okay, so premium. So this one, it shouts premium for the Tank series. Okay, so we have here the details. So 12 military grade tests, so similar to the Tank T2. And we have the smartwatch. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so this is a plastic here. We have the strap. So we have a white color strap. And we have the smartwatch. Okay, additional contents. So we have here, okay, the card, okay, message with the technical support. This is what I like about Kospet. They have a after sales technical support, and they have a website. Okay, very good warranty also, 2-year warranty. We have the user manual. Okay, so comprehensive details on the user manual. Okay, and it is not just a generic user manual that we see in most smartwatches. Okay, let's put this back. Again, the contents, we have the the box. Okay, So here, the thank you card. We have the user manual. So available in different languages here. We also have the QR code here. And if you still don't know, Kospet is using its own, okay, developed support app, the Kospet Fit. Okay. So we have here, it's available in App Store and Google Play, as you can see here. Okay. Then we have the magnetic charging cable. Okay. And the smartwatch. So we have the strap here. Okay, with the quick release pin. Okay, for the smartwatch, we have the white color. So let's remove this. Okay. Nice. So we have, I think, I don't know, oh, maybe this one is it's full metal body, it says. Okay. So we have here a beautiful bezel. Okay. We have at least 2 physical button here. Power back. And we have a dedicated button for its sports mode. Still in the tank series. At the back we have a metal cover. So it says here, designed in USA, made in China. Kospet tank S1 580M IP69. Okay, so let's check on the weight of this smartwatch. Okay, so far it has a beautiful design here. Okay, so this one, the white color. Okay, I guess this is intended for those who have a smaller wrist or for female sports enthusiasts. Okay, so let's check on the weight. 00. So it is just around 30. Okay, 29 point something of 30 grams. With the strap included, we have 47, or we can say it's around 50 grams. Okay, so for the thickness, I have here, okay, measuring tool. Let's check on the thickness without the sensor. Okay, it's just around 10. Okay, and the dimension here, let's see. So 42. So it looks, this one, it says here it is using a tempered glass. Okay, so tempered glass, glass. Okay, Gorilla Glass green. For the specs, so let's see. So we have a Realtek 8763EW for the processor. 1.3 inch AMOLED 360 by 360 pixel resolution. That's good. Okay, 70 sports mode. Bluetooth calling with one switch. So I'm interested on this one. Okay, that one switch function. Okay, 8 to 12 days for daily use. And we have here the heart rate sensor. Automatic measurement for blood oxygen. We also have a sleep tracking. So compatible with iOS and Android. Okay, for the features, okay, before we attach the strap, let's see. So damp, heat test, shock test, low temperature test, high temperature test. We also have a vibration and rain test. Salt spray test, low pressure test, fungus test, contamination by fluids, sand and dust test, and solar radiation test. Okay, so let's attach the strap and let's see the overall look of the Kospet tank. Okay, S1. Okay, so what do you think? Is it designed for female? Okay, I guess you can say that. You can say that it's all. I think it's also safe to say that this smartwatch is for those who are looking for a much slimmer or with a much smaller, okay, form factor. Okay, for their smaller wrist. Okay, so it's beautiful so far. Okay, so check it out. Okay, it has a beautiful design here, very sporty, and it looks premium. A Kospet tank S1. So dedicated sports button here. You have the power button and the back button. Okay, again for the specs, you can check it out here. Okay, so here are the specs of the tank S1 smartwatch. Okay, so let's check the screen display. It says 1.3 inch AMOLED 360 by 360 pixel resolution. Okay, let's power it on. Let's see if we still have enough power. Okay, seems like we still have. So you can pick several languages here. Let's speak English. So scan QR code to pair. Okay, so we are going to scan a QR code. Okay, but so far seems like we have a very good screen display here. Okay, so watch out for our second video review. Okay, we are going to check on the menus and features of this smartwatch. We will pair it first with the Kospet Fit Support App. Okay, so we have here the Kospet Fit. Okay, stay tuned and of course watch the second video for the unboxing review of the menus and features of the Tank S1 smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.